The weight of fabric that I use for this baby frog is 48 inches. So on fold, I have 12 inches because I'm cutting the front and back piece together. So now I'm going to measure the length, in which I used 16 inches. Afterwards, I went to the top part like this, which is serving as our shoulder line, and then I marked 2¼ inches inwards like this, and then I'll be going down by 3.5 inches. This is going to be our armhole area. So now I'm going to connect both lines together, and then I'm going to curve it out and cut it off. So this is going to be our armhole. So after I was done cutting, I'm going to open the fabric up and slash it open into two, so that I'll be having one piece for the back and another piece for the front separately. So after I was done cutting, I'm going to place it aside. After that, I'm going to measure my armhole to know what the length is, and I'm going to go ahead and cut a long strip of fabric that I'm going to use to bias that armhole, hem it. So after I was done cutting that, I went ahead to sew it up like this. So after I'm done sewing, I'm going to cut a longer strip of fabric, which I'm going to use for the upper part, like that elastic, that casing we are going to be creating on the upper part. So that is what the longer strip is meant for. So here it is. I've gone ahead to stitch the forearm hole area like this using the bias I cut out. So the next thing I'm going to do is to place the front piece and the back piece together, right side facing each other, and then I'm going to connect it like this using 1/2 inch on both sides. You can make this dress for a grown-up person as well, and you can decide to add pocket to it. So afterwards, I went to the upper part and then I folded it with 1/4 inch, and I folded by 1/2 inch again, and I'm going to stitch it down. Also, I'll repeat the same process on the other part, and after I was done, I used my safety pin to pass the longer strip of fabric that I sewed the other time and pass it into it, both the front and the back piece. And this is the final outcome. Let me know what you think in the comment section.